Drain and flush out your blast pot. Make sure to flush the pot until the water runs clear. Turn off the air supply to your vibrator. Disable the pinch valve. Do this by pulling up on the regulator knob and turning it counterclockwise until it stops. Then lock it back down. If you purchase the dual operator vapor adapter, you'll need to remove the pinch valve assembly. Do this by removing 2 bolts underneath the assembly. Unscrew the hose connecting it to the control box. Remove and store the pinch valve assembly in a safe place. Now open and set your abrasive lever to a height of 1/4 inch and fill your blast pot with water according to blast pot size. Add your CDC and EPA-approved vapor disinfectant for use against SARS-CoV-2. Follow the instructions on the label to ensure safe and effective use of the product. Keep in mind that many products recommend keeping the surface wet for a period of time, so be sure to read the product label. They also recommend precautions such as wearing gloves and making sure you have good ventilation during the use of the product. Connect the vapor adapter to the outlet elbow and insert the cotter pin. Attach the quick connect fitting and the vaporizing wand to the pressure hose. Attach the hose to the vapor adapter via the quick connect fitting. Close the blowdown valve. Start the compressor and wait until it pressurizes. Open the main service valve on the compressor. Slowly open the air inlet valve on the blast pot. Now adjust the blast pot pressure to 120 psi. Open the vapor adapter outlet valve. If you have the dual vapor adapter, open the main outlet valve and then the smaller outlet valves. Depress the wand's trigger and observe the spray. The spray will be sputtering and emitting too much water. Slowly and incrementally open up the blowdown until a desired vapor is achieved. When disinfecting with vapor, maintain a speed and standoff distance which thoroughly coats the area but does not cause the disinfectant to run or drip.